Hey guys, welcome back. I'm EDC Gunner, and today we're gonna do a review of Spyderco Paramilitary 3. This is a scaled down version of the ever popular Para 3, Para 2. And this is Para 3. It's a bit smaller version with a 3-inch blade. And before I get into the tabletop review of this blade, I want to give a special thanks to my friend Alex who gifted this knife to me a year ago, and now it's time finally for a review. This was my first Spyderco. This is Spyderco Persistence, and this is between ambitious and tenacious, so middle of the road somewhere. And I remember being so happy when I got this one. And most of my Spyderco knives I got as a gift, and most of my knives from my lovely American friends as a token of appreciation for Spyderco. I want to give a special mention to her for sending me this. And I remember the joy when I first got it, and I will never get rid of it. This is, you can see, I'm using it a lot, and this is my main user. So this is entry level Spyderco with the frame lock. I think I did a review back in the day, but you know everything about it. Has a Chinese steel 8CR13 MOV, bit softer, but nevertheless, it's a wonderful knife. You cannot flick it easily as this one, the Para 3, but you can still flick it with some practice, lobing, cleaning, and whatnot. So I love in this one, and this is always will have a special place in my heart. So this one is also a gift. This was gifted to me from Alex, and Alex is a long time viewer of my channel, and I dare to say a friend of mine, but I always wanted to have a Spyderco because I'm a big fan of the brand, because they are cool, and they have that second kind of cool that Nothing Fancy talks about, and they are cool. But there's one thing I wish this one had, and this one was made in China, but this one is made in Golden, Colorado, USA. Earth. First time I saw that, it was really something else. It was really something else, and I always wanted to have one. So this is a Spyderco Paramilitary 3, or Para 3. Has a compression lock here, which I'm not the biggest fan. I'm kind of used to the frame locks and liner locks. So it's if you only had a spring wax and liner wax, this one is gonna need a little bit practice of getting used to, but it's definitely sturdy and solid compression wax that will not fail you. This is a smaller cousin of Paramilitary 2, and if you are contemplating between Paramilitary 2 and 3, the only thing that's good for this one is for people who maybe have a blade length loss and they need to carry a shorter blade, the blade under 3 inches or 3 inches. This is a 3-inch blade, and for people who prefer smaller, shorter blades. So I was one of those people who prefer shorter blades, and I live in Europe, so I cannot be wearing the big knives, but definitely having this one and using it and carrying it, there's nothing wrong with it, but the Parrot 2 is definitely a better knife than this one. And if you can slip by with the knife floss, and just doesn't matter if you like smaller blades, I recommend checking out Parrot 2, and I will definitely be adding one to my collection of knives. I don't know when or why or where I'm gonna get it, but I definitely will add it. Black scales, G10, maybe digi camo pattern. So everything that you want from a blade. So what I like about this one is the G10 scales. Scales are G10, they're very grippy, and they look amazing. They're very sturdy, strong, and I don't know what exactly G10 is, but some sort of a high reinforced plastic that's really strong and sturdy and looks good. It's my favorite blade material when it comes to Spyderco. There are lots of fancy materials and less fancy, but I like G10 scales, and call me old school, call me traditional, but that's my favorite blade material. And other than that, this knife is great. Steel on this blade is CPM S30V, and it's a great steel. It holds an edge, and it has exceptional cutting power, and it has an exceptional edge retention as well. I haven't sharpened this one ever since I got it. It's been a light use. It was my EDC blade. I don't do a lot of cutting, but still very impressive. I had to resharpen this one quite a few times. And overall, knife is very comfy in the hands. Has a thumb ramp here. It has a jimping on the thumb ramp, and beautiful Spidey hole. Finger choil here has a little jimping here also on the finger choil, so you can choke up this blade. So for precision cutting, satin finish steel blade. What else to say on this guy? Has 4 positions for pocket clip. So wherever you want to place your pocket clip, you can put here. You can put it here, here. You can put it here, here. I keep it stock, natural, and I kind of like it like this. And but it's very easy. You have 3 screws. You just unscrew this and place it wherever you want. It has a large lanyard hole with a nice insert, so you can put some really thick lanyard here. And inside, this blade is very lightweight. I don't know exact specification, but inside the lining has a cutout, so to reduce that little bit extra weight. And overall, fantastic little blade. I will put your specs over there in the description box and in the video, but it's very nice. It has a 3-inch blade. Overall is just over 7 inches, and this is what I like about Spyderco. It has a clip point knife, big Spidey hole, G10 scales, great steel, and it says made in Colorado, USA, Earth. So fantastic blade, and I cannot recommend this one enough. If you want more bigger and capable blade, I must say I preferred Parrot 2, and I didn't know that until I got this one, but this one is a scaled down version, smaller version. The Parrot 2 just looks more proportional, and this one is definitely no lesser knife except of the size. So everything else is the same. Pocket clip, works great. I like Spidey pocket clips. It has a little Spidey logo here, which I'm a fanboy. So I might be biased, but this is one of the knives that I always recommend when someone asks me about what should I get. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Alex, and thank you, guys. I will put some links in the description box if you want to check out the pricing and everything. And see ya.